Snow in the Huesca Pyrenees forces the closure of the Portalet route. There are 2 roads closed and 25 roads chained. The Arctic air mass declared by the State Meteorological Agency, Aemet, for this weekend in the north of the peninsula entered the Pyrenees in Huesca this Saturday afternoon and left a lot of snowfall. The snowfall in the last few hours has complicated traffic on the provincial roads, with the closure of the Portalet route due to the risk of avalanches on the French side, the closure of 2 roads and 25 other roads. The need to use chains or winter tires and the prohibition of the transit of buses, trucks and articulated vehicles. In addition, the A139, between kilometers 65 and 72, will be closed from this Sunday afternoon in Benasque due to the risk of avalanches. The first truly winter episode, previously announced by Aemet, will depart on this, is also reflected in the rainfall data in Aemet Aragón last Saturday. Canfranc, with an accumulation of 28.2 liters per square meter, followed by Hecho, 18, Aragüés del Puerto, 17.6, Torla, 14.9 and 13.4 in the 2 stations, Biescas, 14.4, Bailo, 13.8, and Formigal, 13.2, according to data from the state agency. Adding to the difficulty of driving in the snow were the strong gusts of wind that in Aston La Roca reached 127.8 km per hour. Up to 114.5 in Surler Cagula and 105.5 in Pantacosa Petrosos. In addition, in other areas of the community gusts of wind were also felt. Mascaruela, 105.1 km per hour, Plana del Pilon de Casp, 94 km per hour, and Horcayana, 89.3, Fraga, 85.7, and Valmadrid, in Zaragoza, 82.8. According to the General Directorate of Traffic, the snow conditions this Sunday are circulating on 25 roads in Huesca, 2 of which are closed. The regional road A136 from kilometer 21 to 27 in Formigal, and the A136A, in Salent de Gallego from kilometer 1 to 5. It is necessary to use chains on 14 roads in the province, on the A136 itself, from the beginning to kilometer 21, and on the A136A, from kilometer 0 to 1.